Most people think of copper as just a metal, something used for wiring, pipes, or jewelry. But when you look at copper more closely, it becomes clear why it's been valued not just practically, but energetically for thousands of years. Copper sits at a fascinating crossroads between earth and energy, making it one of the most quietly powerful materials you can work with. It is a native metal, meaning it can be found in nature in its pure metallic form rather than as part of a mineral compound. It's sourced all over the world, including the United States, Chile, Peru, Australia, and parts of Africa. On the Mohs hardness scale, copper ranks around 3, which means it's relatively soft and malleable. That softness is actually part of what makes copper so useful. It conducts energy easily, both physically and energetically. What makes copper especially interesting is how it forms and behaves. Copper develops through hydrothermal processes, volcanic activity, and long-term geological pressure. Over time, mineral-rich fluids deposit copper into veins or allow it to crystallize in its native state. This gradual formation mirrors copper's energetic role as a connector. It doesn't force change, it facilitates flow. Copper moves energy from one place to another, helping systems work more smoothly rather than more intensely. Copper is instantly recognizable by its warm reddish-orange tone. Over time, exposure to air and moisture causes it to develop a natural patina, often appearing green or blue. Rather than being a flaw, this transformation has long been appreciated as a sign of age, protection, and evolution. It's a reminder that copper adapts without losing its integrity. Copper has been used across nearly every ancient civilization. It was one of the first metals ever worked by humans, used in tools, coins, jewelry, and sacred objects. In many cultures, copper was associated with balance, healing, and harmony. Ancient Egyptians used copper for both physical healing tools and spiritual rituals, while other traditions believed copper could amplify intentions and connect the physical body with subtle energy. Copper is known as a powerful conductor and amplifier. It doesn't create energy on its own, it enhances and moves what's already there. Copper is commonly associated with the root and sacral chakras, supporting grounding, creativity, vitality, and physical awareness. It's also believed to help balance energy flow throughout the body, making it a favorite material for energy workers and healers. It tends to resonate with people who feel blocked, stagnant, or disconnected from their natural rhythm. If you're someone who feels like your energy is present but not flowing smoothly, copper often feels supportive rather than overwhelming. Its energy is active but balanced, helping restore circulation emotionally, mentally, and energetically. You can work with copper in many practical ways. Wearing copper jewelry keeps its conductive energy close to the body, which is why bracelets, rings, and pendants are so popular. Copper is also commonly used in energy grids, wands, and tools designed to direct or amplify intention. Even placing copper in your workspace or meditation area can help promote clarity, focus, and energetic movement. For copper is relatively simple. Because it naturally oxidizes, you may notice color changes over time. Some people choose to polish copper to restore its shine, while others prefer to let it age naturally. Energetically, copper can be cleansed with smoke, sound, or intention. Brief sunlight exposure works well, but prolonged contact with water can accelerate oxidation. At its core, copper teaches us that power doesn't always come from intensity. It comes from connection. It reminds us that energy is meant to move, adapt, and flow, and that balance often comes from improving circulation rather than adding force. This exploration of copper resonated with you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for weekly crystal spotlights, and let me know in the comments which stone or material you'd like to see reviewed.